In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding with Gmail or Google Workspace using the Google Admin Console. This process will take just about 5 minutes, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can seamlessly manage your email communication. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Google Workspace. This is your one-stop destination for all your Google Apps needs within a business environment. Once you're there, look for the Admin Console, which is an interface that helps you manage users and apps throughout your organization efficiently. Log in using your business email. It's important to note that you should have admin access privileges to proceed with these steps. If you're logging into a role-specific account or a shared email, make sure you have the right credentials handy. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll find the Google Apps menu, which resembles a grid of dots or squares. Click on that menu and look for the admin icon. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your business's Google Workspace services. When you've located the admin icon, go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the admin settings where you can begin configuring email forwarding. Next, you're going to head into the apps section. Just select apps from the main menu inside the admin console. This will lead you to all the applications your business is utilizing under Google Workspace. Click on Google Workspace, then move your cursor down to Gmail, as this is the service you'll be configuring for forwarding. Now you're presented with a variety of settings. Look for and click on the section labeled Routing. This is a critical aspect because it governs how emails are directed within your domain. Now let's focus on setting up the forwarding. You'll see an option for email forwarding. Click on it and then look for a button labeled Configure. A pop-up will appear where you'll select Add. In this pop-up, you'll need to enter two critical pieces of information: the primary email address and the email address you want the emails to be mapped to. Enter the primary email first, which is the original account receiving the emails. Then in the map field, input the email address where you want these emails forwarded. Click Add, and lastly, don't forget to hit Save to ensure all your changes are stored. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up email forwarding. This setup ensures your emails are routed properly, keeping you streamlined and efficient in your communications. If you have any challenges, the Google Admin Help Center is a treasure trove of additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get your email forwarding up and running without a hitch.